Hello friends, welcome to Rupam's tutorial. Today I will discuss squares from 501 to 509 with a little bit new method. Now, if you are doing any competitive exam, then this is a short range, but it may help you in doing a competitive exam. There is also a chance of that, and you can't imagine how simple it is. Like, it's simple as a piece of cake. Now, let's take our first example. Let's say 508. Now, simply what you need to do is square 5, which is 25, then square 8, which is 64. Now we take 08, the last two digits, and invert them and write it in the middle. And this is our answer. This is completely right. 258064. If you even do it in calculator, you will see that this is surprisingly correct. Let's take our next example. Let's say 503. Now again what you need to do is square 5, which is 25. But here is the problem. If you square 3, it becomes 9. And we cannot write single digit numbers. We are only a 2-digit number. So we will write 0 next to 9 and make it a 2-digit number. Then we will invert 03, the last two digits, and it becomes 30. And this is our answer, 253009. Now I told you that this is very simple. And also it is a short range, I know. But there is a chance that you could get it in any mathematical or competitive exam. So, thank you for watching. Bye bye.